Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's vlog is going to be about doing a custom headlight for my Kawasaki Brute Force 750 2008. Here's the two babies right here. I'm going to reveal them a little bit further in the video, but today I'm going to be doing a custom headlight. I've checked so many videos online. There is no much about it. So today we're going to be first cleaning the headlights, polish the lens right here, then install the the small bulbs LED, putting an angel eye rings. Those are red, very nice color. The other ones that I have are green, and we got a custom headlight. We're going to be installing those. So let's get started with the cleaning process. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to unscrew this screw on that side and the one here, and then we're going to clean up with soapy water the entire headlight. Now that we have that out, let's unscrew this and this. Now those two lights are working. I just don't like the way they light. So bear with me in this video because we're going to be installing a very nice headlight, which it lights blue on the front, and with the red LED angel eye, it will replicate the devil eye, and it's going to be, I'm sure the result's going to be amazing. So yeah, this is the headlight I bought from eBay. After a good 30 minutes of cleaning the headlight, here's the thing. If you're taking off the headlights of any ATV or UTV, any vehicle that goes through mud, snow, dirt roads and all that, make an extra mile, go a little bit further and clean the headlights properly before you install anything on it. What I did is I cleaned them both headlights inside and out, and I'm going to use a compressor now with a forced air just to remove any water drops inside the headlight. If you don't have a compressor, you can use your wife's blow dryer, or a heat gun will work as well, just so you can remove any remain water drops inside. After I'm done cleaning those, what I'm going to do, I'm going to polish the headlights so I can bring the shine, and once I install the ring, it's going to be perfect clean. I'm gonna do something that I don't recommend anyone doing, but me, I'm a risky person. So here's the headlight. The headlight is supposed to go in like this, but because of those 3 pins right here, the headlight cannot go. And I'm really willing to put these headlights in because they're just gonna look amazing once they are installed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to step ahead and do unreversible process using my Dremel machine, cleaning the pins. Probably the right thing was to wash the headlight at the end after I'm done with this process, but you know what they say, you learn along the process. So yes, now getting a soapy water, a clean cloth and a wet sandpaper 2000, spray lightly and start rubbing. So here it is. Look up the difference. Just gonna go with a thick line around this gap right here. Right, so 30 minutes later, we're ready to install the headlight bulb. Okay. Until we leave the headlight bulbs to the silicone cures, I'm gonna go through with the wiring. The black one obviously is ground, and the other two is the high and the low beam. It doesn't matter how you're gonna connect them because the headlight bulb is LED. So what I'm gonna do is just I'm gonna extend 3 wires independently from each wire. So this will be a time lapse, just I'm explaining so you guys know. Right guys, so check this out. I've done the wires. In the original plug, I isolated so no water or whatsoever can go in and cause the damage. We got the bar light. We got everything installed and cured. And something that I don't recommend, but in case you're doing a bulb like this, look how extended it's pretty much out and it's not gonna fit in here. I drill a small circle hole so I can go through the wires. Everything will go through here. So far what we've done, let me show you. Got a very nice touch with those as you can see, like a devil eye in it. So what we're gonna do today is wire the angel eyes. Each headlight has 2 of those. You connect the red ones, you put the red ones together and the black ones together. I go through a wire on the other side and connect those to the other ones. So basically at the end I'm having just 2 wires. One is gonna go to a ground somewhere on the chassis of the ATV, and the other one is gonna be straight from the positive side of the battery, go straight to the switch. Okay, so after probably 1.5 hour working, I finally got it done. The only problem that I got is that this angel eye, the computer, the chip burned, and most probably was because it's just factory problem. But right here I left those wires like this because I'm gonna order another one so I can have it complete for lighting. But everything here is isolated. Just I didn't zip tie it nice to the frame. But on the other side, as you can see, on the other side I zip tie it well. I'm happy with the result. Now on the daylight, I don't know how much you're gonna see, but I'm just gonna light it up for you guys so you can see. Nice work. So guys, as you can see, it's a very nice touch. I already ordered the same one like this because I guess it's burned entirely. But look at the green one now. The green is so much brighter. And I don't know why is that, but you can obviously see a difference. It's actually very bright. But if you see right here, inside we got the vent with the LED. I'm very, very pleased with the result. The green one, we have the stock lights, which I'm not very much fan of. But overall, great result, great result.